functional side. Here you can really test the power. But first of all, to test the functional side. So
you switch it on there?
okay, yes. Starting from the beginning. I take it out because after 1 minute I don't use it, it gets off to save the energy. So it is in this pocket. I take it out, it's off. Below my fingertips here, air tap. For the locking device, it starts the machine as well at the same time. I lock it to the winch and it gets ready to start. You have just to press the button and think one thing is that you used to use that. Your position using that is you bend to the winch and you do that. Here, the machine is gonna do the work for you. But as soon as the effort is coming, you just not like that, because if you stay like that, as soon as the effort is coming, you will move forward. Okay, so you just step back and use your weight balancing the effort. You see what I mean?
Oh yeah.
So you feel what's happening, and you still have a sensation. Okay? And if you want to move to spin number 2, you just have to swivel the handle on the other side.
Cool.
And then you are spin number 2. You want to come back to spin number 1, just swivel on the other side. Okay, press it. Okay. If for any reason you prefer to stay on this side and to change the way to change from spin number 1 to spin number 2, each time you give a slight pressure here, you can see the color changing. So spin number 2 is selected here, and then when you press it will push you. It's not necessarily the best positioning, but it could be. Exactly. Then if you want to move to manual operation, so the machine is free. You choose your best starting angle. If you are here, you will choose something like that. But if I'm here on the boat, I will choose the starting point like that. I locked it by maintaining press that button here. Then it's locked. For full rotation, or even better, one is very sharp. I choose the best starting image. I locked it. I take it. That angle, that's fine. But here it's becoming easy. And here it's almost impossible. So release the button. Back.
Like a ratchet.
Like a ratchet tool. Okay. And the third way to use it, you are maneuvering, and at the same time you add some turn. Go ahead.